Ladies and gentlemen, be it Umar Khalid, Tahir Hussain or Shahrukh Pathan, each time we showed you hard evidence, nailing the role of conspirators in the Delhi riots, the lobby tried creating a wave of sympathy for them. But tonight, the face of the riots, Shahrukh Pathan, who was lionized by sections of the Lutyens media, please don't forget that, has been charge-sheeted. I wonder what the sympathizers will say now. So we'll debate.
This writer, who pointed his pistol at a man in uniform and fired shots in the air when northeast Delhi was burning, has been charge-sheeted by the Delhi Crime Branch. Shahrukh Pathan, the criminal who, despite going underground like a coward, was lionized by sections of the Lutyens media, has been slapped with charges of obstructing a public servant from discharging duty, punishment for assault on a public servant, attempt to murder, possession of arms and ammunition, and for openly using arms and ammunition.
दिल्ली नॉर्थ ईस्ट दिल्ली में जो दंगे हुए थे उस मामले में पहली चार्जशीट आज दाखिल कर दी है और ये करीब 300 पन्नों की ये चार्जशीट है, जिसमें शाहरुख पठान से रिलेटेड जो मामले थे जो अरेस्टिंग की गई थी, और इस मामले में जो पिस्टल शाहरुख ने जो टानी थी दीपक दहिया के ऊपर, उसको भी बरामद कर लिया गया।
They glamorized him by calling him a college dropout who flirted with trouble and got a gun for pleasure. We don't know what they'll say now. Be it Tukde gang poster boy Umar Khalid, who called for a street war during Donald Trump's visit.
हम वादा करते हैं 24 तारीख को जब डोनाल्ड ट्रंप हिंदुस्तान आएंगे तो हम ये बताएंगे कि हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री और हिंदुस्तान की सरकार हिंदुस्तान को बांटने का काम कर रही है.
Or Tahir Hussain, who was seen with the mob on the roof of his riot factory.
मोफलर वाले के सामने जो है ना, उसके बगल में वो ताहिर है, देखो आ गया, वो ताहिर ही है, वही ज्ञान दे रहा है कि अब इधर से घुसो.
They've been booked under UAPA. Rioters, instigators and masterminds are facing the might of the Indian law. Will their sympathizers apologize now? Let's debate.
I'd like to welcome Rami Desai and Sushil Pandit. Sardar RP Singh is there. So we have one side of the debate lined up. Okay, we have Maulana Syedul Qadri also with us. Maulana Syedul Qadri, I begin with you, and you can come into the debate with Sushil Pandit. You see, rioters are rioters. Rioters have no religion. Anti-nationals are anti-nationals. Anti-nationals also, Maulana Qadri, have no religion. I think it is very unfortunate that when this fellow Shahrukh Pathan was caught and we showed the evidence, everyone was there, people like you tried to make it communal. It is not communal. He was part of the conspiracy. So my hashtag today is Spare No Rioter. I would like to begin the debate by requesting you, with Sushil on the other side, of accepting that you made a mistake. That when there were riots in northeast Delhi, people like you tried to cover up for people like Shahrukh Pathan. You know, he was taking a pistol and firing 8 rounds of shots. You know, he could have killed people. But you were blind. You didn't want to listen. Why didn't you want to listen? Today, Shahrukh Pathan, who waved a gun at the police, has been charge-sheeted. Will you support him even today? Tell me, Maulana Qadri, and let's open the debate.
First of all, I would like to start by saying that I have never ever, supported anybody who has taken the law in his hands.
Maulana
And
Qadri.
the second thing is when Shahrukh has been charge-sheeted, I would expect the Delhi police to also charge-sheet the Anurag Thakur and that BJP MLA who has openly threatened in front of the city of the Delhi police.
You imagine?
Then
You have a person pulling the trigger. And he's being compared. He's being compared with people who were not even there on the scene. This is the roundabout way of supporting those who caused the riot. This riot was not just caused by those who were visible on the scene or who pulled the trigger, who rolled the stones, or who set fire to shops and homes. This riot was also caused by those who masterminded it, who planned it. There
The
should be an FIR
masterminds are
against
the
them as well.
Anurag Thakur and that BJP, ex-MLA, who has openly challenged the people of India by saying that we will take action if the police does not take action. That was the clear words he has used in his, media interview that time in front of the DCP of the Conservative
I
of that
also
state.
no I think
Cover up.
now Maulana Qadri,
And no
let
number of
Sushil Pandit
apologists are
respond.
going to take away the attention from the fact that this riot was a meticulously planned affair.
That investigation will lead to the
If
results,
Shahid
what was the
Imam
cause. But
if Shah Rukh Khan were visible on the
fair
screen,
trial
there
will
were
be
several
with
others who
all
were
the
not.
people Who have,
And the
contributed
investigation
these
must
rights
lead
are
us to
being-
their doors.
You know, I also want to tell you one
Do
more
not
thing,
spare any
Sushil.
minister, do not spare any
Sushil, the
BJP
bitter
leader.
truth will have to be revealed. I also want to talk, Sushil, today a little bit about the role of the media. Now, as you all know, Sushil, what have people written? Rami Desai, at that point of time, there is this website called Print, or The Print, I think is its name. They wrote an article with a headline,
I remember
Delhi
that.
shooter Shah Rukh, college dropout who flirted with trouble and got gunned for pleasure, with for pleasure in quotes. And I'll quote a part of the article which said, he is an aspiring model, a TikTok buff, and loves fast bikes. He always aspired for fame and he dreamed to see his picture on the cover of a fashion magazine. This was such a glamorization of this rioter, Shah Rukh Pathan. Any word of apology after that? A corrigendum saying we were glamorizing a riot accused, a criminal. I didn't see anything. In fact, the whole attempt was to somehow support him. I'll give one more example. I hand it over to you, Rami. There is apparently an anchor.
Yes.
I'm not mentioning the anchor or the channel. But I'm aware that the channel is about 1% viewership share. Nobody watches it. But you know what happens on these channels that nobody watches is, you say something provocative. You know that clip will be taken and forwarded on WhatsApp for a long time. So let me tell you what this anchor said. He said, social media is saying, and this is the same anchor who abuses social media all the time. He says, social media is saying that his name is not Shah Rukh Pathan. Apparently, according to social media, the investigative journalism of this anchor was that his name was Anurag Mishra. Why? Why was the name of Shah Rukh Pathan changed to Anurag Mishra? What was the objective, Rami? Now I hand it over to you. Let's have a strong and intense debate today.
Absolutely, Arnab. I remember this article very clearly about Shah Rukh Pathan, where they brought up little highlights like he enjoyed playing PUBG. I even remember this media anchor saying this, and I also remember a Western media outlet saying that the IB officer who was unfortunately killed was killed by a mob that came in shouting Jai Shri Ram. So, of course, there is this sort of a conspiracy that was very evident from right at the beginning of these anti-CAA protests, because anybody who had read this amendment would have known that there is nothing to protest. When I saw the riots at Jamia, it was absolutely shocking, and I'm a resident of Delhi, and I knew this would not end well. The fact is, Arnab, that you cannot legitimize anarchy, you cannot legitimize violence under the guise of dissent. And this is what they did. And we did not just have media. We had the Bollywood cabal that supported these student protesters. Just because you're a student does not give you a certificate of credibility. We have sure enough found out that they were receiving money from the Middle East. We have found out that members of this entire Jamia gang that have now been arrested went and did a preview of the sites that they were going to protest in. So this was a very meticulously planned out conspiracy against the government. And I think, you know...
You were saying it was planned, but
how did the money... How can you say where is the planning? I've just told you.
And
Ma'am, I've
the
just told
violence
you.
that took place in northeast Delhi. Where is the connection between Jamia protests?
What do you mean, where is the
peaceful
connection? These were
protests,
all protests
and
that were done under the guise
violence
of being
in northeast
anti-CAA,
Delhi?
NPR protests. Therefore, they are connected. Whether it was
No, they
Jafra
don't
Bagh,
have
whether
a
it was
connection.
Shaheen Bagh, whether it was
Protest
Shaheen Bagh,
here,
this
and I
was
say
all
something correct.
anti-CAA
No,
protests.
you
Were they
can't
not
draw
anti-CAA
a
protests?
mindless connection. You can't say there were 200 protests.
If you want to whitewash the facts, if you want to whitewash the facts, there's not much anybody can say to you. But the fact that all these people have been charge sheeted, the fact that the connections have been brought forward is something you cannot ignore.
Absolutely dishonest of connecting peaceful protests. There were peaceful protests.
It
even
is
in Delhi
dishonest.
University. And
They were
you've now
peaceful.
gone and
So
hounding
peaceful
people in
protest.
Delhi
Shah Rukh
University.
Pathan had a gun.
Why are
He
you
fired
hounding people
8
in Delhi
rounds.
University?
There are photographs.
I'm
there
not
are
surprised.
videos.
Why are you
There was
hounding people in Delhi
Tahir
University?
Hussain.
Rami,
There was Tahir Hussain who was
Rami and
video.
Irfa and Rami,
Yes,
one minute. You see, Irfa, don't get worked up. And Rami, let me come through this. We have 10 more minutes so we can debate it well. You see, what is the definition of a peaceful protest? Rami, a fantastic point you make there. R.P. Singh and also Sushil.
Thank you.
There is a particular ignoramus in Bollywood who unfortunately has also got a blue tick. Now this blue tick ignoramus from Bollywood tried to defend Tahir Hussain by tweeting, so is self-defense a crime now? Now this ignoramus, and that's why people who don't know must not speak, as it is said, Alpa Vidya Bhayankari. In Tahir Hussein's house, there were crates of petrol bombs, acid packets and sacks of stones.
There were more people who also used petrol
Before
bombs.
the
Who
violence
were
happened in
those people?
Northeast, Sushil will vote
Other
this. There were
people
two
also used
bombs
petrol
which were
bombs, you
caught.
know. There were
The
other
boy was
petrol
caught
bombs
with two
too.
bombs
Why
at
have you never
Selampur.
heard stories
What is
of
it?
that?
Selampur metro
There
station.
was a person called
And that blasted in his
Gopal,
hand.
Gopal
So
is
it
his
was
exact
all-
name.
do you
who
get
not
bombs at
only
a grocery
carried a
shop?
revolver,
Do you
but
get bombs at a
also
grocery
shot
shop?
at a Jamia
It clearly
student.
indicates
The
that it
question
was
is,
pre-planned.
has
But how
that
could-
person
No,
been
I tell you one thing. You see, Ifra, 1 minute. Ifra, 1 minute. Sushil will
You
debate.
get it going by
Let's
the
get Sushil also on the debate. Sushil, the problem that they have, 1 minute, Ifra. The problem you have is that we have uncovered the conspiracy angle. Listen, we want them.
There is no conspiracy angle, you know. You are not able to establish a conspiracy. You're only saying conspiracy.
She's out here to cover up.
Ifra,
Only when you
Ifra, there was a
establish a
speech.
clear connection
Ifra,
and
That is
your
what police
conspiracy
is
angle
going to
makes
Ifra,
no
there
sense.
was a
That
speech
is
that
what
your
the
that your
charge
friend
sheets are all
Sarjil
about.
Imam made in Gaya, saying that we have to block
Sarjil
Hindustan.
Imam made that
In front of
speech in
Aligarh
Gaya.
Muslim University, he
Senior
said,
police
if we
said
want to
he
help
covered the
Assam,
speech
then we have to stop the way to
made
Assam for the
Gaya
Indian
related
army and
to
other
Delhi.
supplies. The chicken's necks belongs to Muslims. These were all communal statements he was making. Didn't we ask you to stop playing the Islamophobia card at that time?
Why has he not been charge sheeted? 90 days हो
Do
गए
you remember
तब से।
the bomb that
Sushil.
went off in the hands of Rais?
Charge sheet क्यों नहीं लाया?
People don't make bombs at home as part of the art
Sushil
and
and
craft
Maulana Qazi.
project in
It's a
schools.
very clever way of bypassing the charge sheet
You know,
and
there was a
keeping
Maulana
boy
Qazi.
called Rais who was carrying a bomb in his hands in Selampur. He was not part of some art and craft
Maulana.
project in his school, making bombs. That
The
bomb went
person
off
who
in his
was
hands.
firing at the Shaheen Bagh and the person who has shooted at the Jamia Millia, why not he has been booked yet? Why there is no charge sheet? Why there is only one side story has been broadcast here?
Did we
What
not,
is the action
did we
taken
not
about
warn you
those
about
people?
Tahir Hussain? Maulana Qadri, please tell me honestly, listen to me. Did I not warn you about how ex-AAP councillor Tahir Hussein's building was used as a focal point for the rioters? Did I not show you the footage? Did I not tell you there are 300 men, gallons of acid and an unending petrol bomb hurling spree? Now when he's booked for riots, what are you complaining about? Did I not show you pictures? that he was firing 8 rounds and threatening a police officer while the lobby was busy fawning over his TikTok celebrity status? Did I not show you all of it? You people said, oh, he's a model. He came there to help his family members. Rummy knows, oh, this is his portfolio. He's such a fantastic aspiring model. Poor fellow only wanted to be on the cover of a fashion magazine. You were glamorizing him. You were trying to present him as innocent. Rummy, we busted the narrative.
Related to the pregnant woman,
they never brought to light the fact that not just Shah Rukh, but Shah Rukh's father, Shah Rukh's family, the person who sheltered Shah Rukh, his father, were criminals, that they had spent time together in Tihar on fake currency and drug charges. And Irfa here wants to say that this wasn't a conspiracy. Let me remind Irfa that Shifa ul Rahman, a member of the Jamia Coordination Committee, has accepted that they received money from the Middle East, accepted that they went and did recce of all these places. I mean, you can endlessly keep denying these facts, but now this is in the charge sheet.
Students have to do with the riots. Please answer, ma'am, what do Jamia Millia students have to do with riots that took place 70 kilometers
Because that's
away?
where it started, Irfa. Irfa, the money came in from there. Anti-CA riots were baseless. This was rumor mongering and peddling of lies that had been going on since December. It had created an environment of hate. Therefore, it led to the Delhi riots. And are you trying to say that you do not see that
your government is
You see, your government nahi hai, Baba, it's your government too. Ifra, do you have some separate government? Do you have a parallel government? It's your government to say our government. What do you mean your government? No. Which government do you believe in?
How did Shah Rukh Pathan get the gun?
Do you believe in the government of India?
He was caught with 2 live rounds. He was caught with 2 live rounds. Is that called a peaceful protest?
I will conclude because I've run out of time. Ifra, I want to tell you, please go and tell all your friends that the mood in this country has changed. And now we will be very uncompromising towards people who challenge the security, safety, peace and integrity of India. Believe me, Ifra, you have no idea how tough the approach is going to be. Uncompromising, even to the supporters. There are people who say we don't carry a gun. We are only supporting people who carry the guns. Even they will be charge sheeted now. Ifra, times have changed. Zamana badal gaya. The country is changing. Should I open the phone lines? You want to understand how the views of the people have changed? I'm short of time, otherwise I would have. Viewers, I've made a promise every day till the end of the lockdown I'm with you. So without a doubt, I know it's a Saturday, tomorrow I will be with you on Saturday. I will be with you on Sunday. So look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Good night and goodbye.